Garvey, once mocked as theatrical, now became mythic. His speeches elevated to scripture. His photos hung in altars of black pride. His dreams revisited as blueprints. His silence had become sacred. He was risen in dreadlocks and drumbeats, in the sacred herbs and chants of resistance. Echoes in the Diaspora. In Trinidad, Calypsonians invoked his name in resistance songs. In Ghana, young leaders quoted his writings without citation, not out of theft, but because his ideas had become truth beyond ownership. In Harlem, some elders still remembered the parades, the uniforms, the oratory, the moment the street transformed into a nation. Even in prison yards, his name was scratched into walls beside Malcolm and Mandela. He had become something more than a man. He had become a signal, a coded reference among the oppressed. Say Garvey, and people understood. Pride, power, reclamation, Jamaica's shame and redemption.